Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the tower lamp, which is also been called as a stack lamp or signal tower or panel top indicators. Many different names have been given. Let us talk about tower lamp now. The tower lamps are generally being used in two types. One is with buzzer or without buzzer, depending on the situations. Where the sound is needed, this tower lamp with the buzzer is been given, and when the sound is not needed, it is given without the buzzer. We call it as a steady lamp. And in this buzzer, we are having a flashing red indication plus buzzer, and the amber and green are steady. The application of this tower lamp is in CNC machines or big plants, textile machines, where the status indication is needed of a complete plant. Suppose there are CNC machines 15 or 20, and if you have got any problem or status indication, these all CNC machines are okay, green light will be on. If there is some problem, amber will be on, and there is a major problem, this red light will flash and will give sound also. Also, these are being used in production in multiple uses. When the production line is there, in production line each and every person has got one tower lamp, which is also been called as a Anand light. So whenever in production line any worker has got any problem, he presses the push button for the fault and the red light flashes. So whoever is the supervisor comes in and he solves his problem. So there are multiple uses, even military applications, the navy, everywhere the applications are there for these tower lamps. These tower lamps come in two types. One is panel top indicators. In panel top indicators, there is a 22.5 cutout at the back side and there is a nut. So when we fit it, you can see it. We can fit by just making the hole in the panel, 22.5 cutout hole. Then this nut is been fixed and the tower lamp is fitted on the tower lamp. But where the panel is not there, or you want to make it or fit it without making a 22.5 hole, these base mounting type tower lamps are there. The same tower lamp, Mimic tower lamp, can be converted from this panel top indicator to base mounting just by removing this nut and fitting this base mounting. This is the conversion of tower lamp of panel mounting to base mounting. Now there are fundamentally types like this. It is a single tire, 2 tire and a 3 tire. Both in steady, all steady or red flasher plus buzzer. I will show you the demo. Here there is a panel top indicator or tower lamp. Already the 2 steady lamps are on. Now I will make the red on. See here. And second one, it will flash and it will give sound. This is the demo. Also there is one more version, that is bicolor. It is very interesting function. In bicolor, in single tower lamp, there are 2 colors. Now it is green. When I make it red, red will flash. That means the problem is there. And when there is a green, it's all clear. That means no problem is there. So these are the major types available in tower lamps. It is a very critical and important product used in industry. Thank you.